right? So let's come to discuss the questions which I have sent you as an assignment. Now we are going to discuss the solutions to that, and wherever required, I am going to give you some instructions to write some quotations which will be there from the questions itself. So please open question number 1. That is case study based question, chapter 1. Rajan works as a production manager. Rajan works as production manager. So the target was given to him. He completed the work in time, but he didn't consider as the cost saver. So is he efficient or effective? The right answer is he is effective but not efficient. And you are supposed to write the reason also in one line. Effective kyun hai? Because he has completed the target of so many shirts, whatever was given to him, but he is not efficient because the cost per unit was increased. Question number 2. Seema works as an interior designer in a company. She was asked to make 300 photo frames in a week's time with itne rupaye, whatever cost is given. She made it at a lesser cost, but she did not complete the target. So the answer is she is efficient, but she is not effective. Clear? So you will write, give reason also that Seema was efficient because she saved the cost, but she was not effective, but because she was unable to complete the target. Then it's question number 3. Rahman and Sona happened to meet in a school reunion party after a long gap of 10 years. Sona is working as a doctor in the hospital in Mumbai, and Rahman tells her that she is working as a manager in a travel and tourism company. So they have a debate about this. I am in a profession and you are not in a profession. So what are the reasons or the statements which you can give to make this sure, like this is management is not a profession and doctor is a profession. So what are those points? You are supposed to write 4 reasons. 4 reasons is, number 1, doctor has restricted entry, whereas management or manager do not have restricted entry. Then number 2, manager or management, they don't have any particular code of conduct, whereas doctor has a code of conduct. Then professional association is there in doctor, here it is not compulsory. And the last one is service motive, doctor has a service motive, whereas management do not have. So all the 4 points which were there in your book, you are supposed to write it there, right? Question is a bit tricky, but you are not supposed to make some new points. You are supposed to write the points which are already given to you, right? Next is Sunidhi's grandmother is working as general manager. The general manager is a top level manager, right? So top level likh dena hai, and then uske functions you all know. Next is Rahul works as a supervisor and in a pickle making company. So the company pura aapne padh liya hoga. The point of coordination is there, right? All the departments, they are in coordination with each other, they are coordinating each other. So coordination is the answer, and uski importance ke any 4 points you can write. Any 4 points of importance of coordination you can write. Next is identify the functions of management in the following case. Question number 6, very very important. Aapne in lines ko zarur make some particular notes. I have asked you to make notes. Aap bana rahi hain. In that notebook where you have made your notes, note down these statements. First is giving instructions and guiding employees about the task. It is, what is it? Directing. Yes, I can
Directing.
Directing. Very good. Next is transferring an employee from one division to other. Yes, Manya?
Staffing.
Staffing.
Organizing.
Staffing.
Who said staffing? Betty, I need to know na, who is giving answer. Who said staffing? Tamanna or Tania, both of them. Okay. So staffing is the right answer. Bete, HR department has this work of appointing the individuals and then promoting them and then transferring them. So the right answer is staffing. Next is increasing supervision on the workers in a factory. Supervision is a part of which function?
Directive.
Is directing. Next is making assumptions about the future. That what we are going to do, where we are right now, where we want to achieve. This is which function?
Planning.
Planning. Right. Next is conducting interviews for the post of accounts manager. Who is going to conduct interview? In which function this is going to happen? Yes?
Staffing.
Staffing.
Okay, staffing is the right answer, right? So ये statements बेटे please note it down because these statements tell you about the function. So आप में से किसी बच्चे ने मुझे आंसर दिया था few minutes back, organizing. बेटे there is one statement which gives you the idea or hint that it is organizing. वो statement किसी बच्चे को पता है? Any one of you? What is the hint of organizing? Anyone, please raise your hand. What is the hint which will tell you that it is the question of organizing? Any one of you? We have already discussed in the previous chapter. Okay, Sanya wants to say.
Ma'am, making departments or setting hierarchy.
Very good. Making departments, setting hierarchy. That is correct. Someone else also want to answer? Yes, Tamanna.
Division of work.
Yes, division of work word is there. Then also it is organizing. One more word is there. Keyword for organizing. Anyone else? I am again asking you to note these terms. These terms, whatever terms will be there, they will give you a hint that this is the question of staffing or planning or organizing. So there is another term which is, yes? Okay, Prabjot.
Establishing reporting relations.
Very good, Bete. It is establishing reporting relationship. Who is your senior, who is your junior, who is going to answer whom, who will give you the duty, who will give you the orders. Establishing reporting relationship is a key word to identify this is organizing. Okay? Division of work, establish reporting relationship and hierarchy set karna. These are all a part of division of work. Organizing, but here there was no question of organizing. Staffing and directing is already clear to you, and planning is to make sure what we are going to do in the future. Question number 7, Harshita owns the career counseling center in Kanpur. This question, the first part is which function, which objective of management is not fulfilled? Which objective is not fulfilled? So question में there is a line. आपके पास question है, you can read from there. On asking one of the counselor, Pooja told her that there were no working hours, no regular working hours. Many a time the staff does not get time to have lunch. The people over there, they didn't get time to eat. The people over there, they don't know at what time they are going to come back home. So this is poor. Which objective is not fulfilled here? Yes.
Personal objective.
Personal objective, yes. Personal objectives are not fulfilled here. They were not taken care of. So that is the answer. Number 2, which function, which objective of management is fulfilled? Here there is a line. In the first 2 lines, you can read, Harshita owns a career counseling center in Kanpur. Her center enjoys a good reputation and profits are high. It will tell us that the company is focused on which objectives? Yes.
Organizational.
ऐसे भी करना होता है. There is an option of raising hand. ठीक है? Okay, so that's the reason how I would come to know who wants to answer, who knows the answer, right? Many of you sometimes raise your hand. I ask only one child, but at least it is in my notice that they are all the students who want to answer, right? So raise your hand. Do raise your hand every time. So the answer is organizational objective. Their profits are good. So profit is a part of organizational objective. They have taken care. And the third one question is, which is the another objective which is not, which they must think they should work towards. So the right answer, Ketan Sethi.
Social objectives.
Okay, social. The third one which is left, so that is the right answer. Okay. Next is previous year's CBSE board question which I have sent you. Meeta has successful ice cream business in Bikaner. So the question was, identify the aspects of management that has been ignored, and also explain same with the help of examples. So there were two aspects. One was efficiency. Earlier it was ignored, and then the effectiveness. Both two aspects were there in this question. You have written it down? Yes? Yes or no? Chaliye. Next question is Hema, question number 4. Hema is one of the most successful manager of her company, Fob Limited. She uses her creativity and initiative. Creativity and initiative. So what is this?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in last question, both aspects was ignored.
But wait a minute. Okay, just let's read this question once again, and then we'll discuss what was given there, right? Meeta has a successful ice cream business at Bikaner, namely Smart Flavors. Her ice creams were utterly delicious. She makes ice creams from fresh milk, and same are available in a wide range of flavors and types. She sets viable business objectives and works with the same in the mind in order to ensure that customers will come back for purchasing. Having the first mover advantage, her business was doing well. To earn high profits, she started cutting cost. Then this would sometimes leads to delay in the delivery, and the ice cream was not reaching the market in time. Over the period of time, demand for her ice cream declined because of the competitors entered in the market. She lost some of her market share to competitor. Number 1, till this point we have come to know that she tried to cut the cost, so she became efficient and lose effectiveness. Okay? Because demand was not fulfilled, market mein our customers were not fully taken care of, so effectiveness was not there, efficiency was there till this point. Next point, at the beginning of summer season, she got back-to-back orders for supply of 4,000 ice cream packs of different flavors for different occasions. To ensure that the task is completed, the orders delivered in time, she hired additional workers. She was thus able to produce and deliver ice cream packs at a very high production cost, while completing activities and finishing the given task for achieving goals. Meeta realized that she was ignoring one of the most important aspects of management. So here what happened? Here she became effective, but she ignores efficiency. So question was only to identify the aspects which were being ignored. Okay? So you will write both the aspects. Earlier, you will write the answer using the lines from the paragraph. Quoting the lines, you will write in lines, we will come to know that delay in delivery and the ice creams were not reached in the market in time. Ye lines likhenge, and then you will write, this shows that the effectiveness was being ignored. Then you will write the line, at a very high production cost wali line likh ke you will write that it was being effective, but efficiency was being ignored. Is it clear? See, CBSE is asking this type of questions. So you will definitely get confused कि एक ही चीज ignore होगी, both cannot be ignored. But here they have shown the same company in two different scenarios, right? Okay, next question is Hema is one of the most successful manager of the company. She uses her creativity and initiative in handling challenges situations at work. So what is the aspect of nature of management? With this line, I come to know about the answer. You should also be. Okay, Aditi?
Management is an art.
Yes, management is an art. This is being highlighted. You will quote these two lines and then you will write that management is an art. Next part of the question is explain any three features of the aspect identified above. So you have identified management is an art. Uske three features you are supposed to write. Very easy. Next is Chandrika Bhattacharya is working in Olex company. Manufacturing room heater. She is responsible for all the activities of the business. Underline these lines. यही आपको लिखना है आंसर में इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में. Responsible for all the activities and for all its impact on the society. These lines will tell you which level is it. Jasmine.
It's top level. of
Yes, very
management.
good. It is top level management and three more functions of these management, this level that you will be able to write. Okay, next is Ashutosh Goenka. He was working in X Limited. अब line जो quote करनी है वो देखते हैं. The lines are, he found that the profits had started declining from last 6 months. Profits has an implication for the survival of the business, and he analyzed the business environment to find out the reasons. So who is responsible for survival of the business? Who is responsible for this? At which level? Yes, Ketan.
Top level management.
Top level. Again, it is the top level management, and the three other functions you can write on your own. Next two questions, there is nothing to highlight. It is just a simple question. Management is the process of getting things done. What is the meaning of process? Because there are number of activities interrelated that you can write in your own words. Next is management concerned only with doing the right task, completing the activities and achieving goals without taking into consideration the cost benefit? Say yes or no.
No.
You have to comment no, because you will write the answer like this. The management should taken care of both the aspects of efficiency and effectiveness. Both should go hand in hand, then it will work, right? That's all from chapter 1. Is there any other doubt? Okay, so let's come back to assignment number 2. That is from this chapter. Very, very important chapter. Very, very important case studies. We are going to spend 2 more days on this chapter's case studies. Principles of management, right? After completion of the chapter. Right now, I'll only discuss the questions which I have sent you. Question number 1. Sia and Raj are working, case studies ke questions hai, are working at front desk office. Both have equal qualification and experience, but the salary of Raj is more than that of Sia. Which principle is being violated here? It is the principle of, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll ask from Kashvi.
Principle of equity.
Very good. It is principle of equity. They are not equally treated. Next, Manish is working as a marketing manager. So there are 2 principles here. If you have found 2 principles, please raise your hand. Along with the line, which line told you that this is this principle? Yes, only 1 student have raised his hand. And I have got 42 students send me their assignments. Only 2, 3, 4. Okay, chaliye. 1 principle from Ketan and other from Prabjot. Yes, Ketan?
In principle of unity.
Unity principle, you should use the word spirit de corps, right? Because that was the name word given by Henry Fayol. So, wo wala word you can write. You are absolutely correct. Which line tells you this?
मैम अभी असाइनमेंट सामने नहीं है ना तो पता नहीं लगेगा.
But that is to be done, right? So you are supposed to tell me. Yes, Sania, you can tell me.
That I should be replaced with we.
Very good. The line is that the word I should be replaced with we. This was given in the question. So that is how we come to know that it is spirit de corps. Okay, yes, Prabjot. The other principle is? Prabjot? I think I'm not audible to Prabjot. Okay. Then
Authority and responsibility.
no. This is not there. How do you come to know about this line, this principle, Prabjot? Which line tells you this?
Ma'am, he exhibited exemplary behavior and not fall into temptation of misusing his powers.
Okay. For, आगे बढ़िए. For satisfying personal interest. ये personal interest word is the key word to one principle. Which principle is that? Personal interest. Yes. Now some other students are also getting into the picture. Yes, Chahat wants to say. Chahat?
Some subordination of individual interest to general interest.
Very good. It is subordination of individual interest to general interest. He should not satisfy his personal. देखो ये वाली line आपको समझा रही है. Those who have a doubt with the principle. I believe कई बच्चों को अभी तक इस principle में थोड़ा सा doubt है. So this line tells you the answer that not falling into the temptation of misusing the power. I told you that if you are using the school reception पे बैठ के you are using the phone for your personal work, it means you are misusing your power for your personal interest, whereas you should look into the matters of the school. You should use the phone for the benefit of the school. So these two principles were there. Very good. Next is question number 3. Sarthak worked in a family owned business wherein two brothers were there, Raju Kapoor and Sawan and Suraj Kapoor. And what was the principle which was being violated there? Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 children. 5. Okay. Ashwinder Kaur can answer. Ashwinder?
Ma'am, the principle which is violated here is unity of command.
Very good. And which
Because
line
here
tells you?
Sarthak, because here Sarthak was being given instructions by both Raju and Suraj Kapoor, who were having different perspectives. So he was being confused by different instructions.
Very good answer. But you are supposed to highlight a line also. Tell me that line. Which statement gives you this idea? Okay. Okay. Harmeen also want to answer. Harmeen, yes.
Ma'am, most of the time Sarthak remains confused as to for how much duration should he grant credit to the new clients. Being more experienced, Raju Kapoor insists on granting credit for a lesser duration to the new clients.
Okay. ठीक है. So he got confused. So as far as how much duration should be granted to the new clients, right? So this line tells us he got confused because he was getting permission or orders from two bosses, right? I have shared with a link of attendance form in your group in the chat box. So after 5 minutes, you can fill it, right? We'll continue with this question. That was the only principle there. Next question, as the vice principal of the school, Mrs. Reshma Bachchan tends to adopt a systematic approach to every element of the work being carried out in the school. So, question is, identify and explain the principles of management which were being applied for the success of the business. Yes. Yes, I can see only 2 hands. Chaliye, Aditi.
Principle of management is flexible. It is behavioral in nature and it is universal.
Question is question number 4. I have asked you identify principle of management. Features नहीं पूछे हैं. Identify principles. I think you are on some other question. Question number 4. I think I have not sent this question to you. Wait a minute. This question was not sent to you as a principal wala. You are talking about question number 6, Tanya wala. Tanya is a management student of class 12th. This question you are, I think I have sent you to. My mistake. Tanya is a management student. So the principal, okay, the question was to identify features of principles of management. Okay, right. Yes, Aditi, now you can give your answer.
Ma'am, principles of management are flexible. They are behavioral in nature and they are universal.
Okay. Actually, I want all of you or whosoever is giving the answer one by one, giving the statement that this is the statement, it tells this, this is the statement, this tells this, like this. So first line A part will give you the answer. Anyone can tell. First line which answer, second line which answer, like that. It was in ABC part.
Ma'am.
Yes. Ashwin.
Ma'am, at the end, it is given that we need to correct the faults in the answer.
Sorry, at the end.
It is written that we need to correct the faults in her answer.
You were expected to identify na, and correct the fault in her answer.
The faults. Yes, ma'am.
As an intelligent student of the same class, you are expected to identify. Yeah, so this is the right thing. Na? She is using layman language. You are supposed to identify and correct it in the technical language. This is what is being required here. See, question, मैं पढ़ती हूँ आपको question. First line is the principle of management. मतलब test हुआ principles of management के ऊपर, and the teacher asked to write the features of principles. Now she wrote that principles of management are considered mainly behavioral in nature because they do not provide ready-made straight-jacket solutions to the management problems. So she used this language. Is this any point like this written in the book? No. So as an intelligent student, अब आपने उसको सही answer देना. What is the right word which should be used by that child? What should be the right language? The right answer to this question is yes. Ketan wants to answer. Ketan.
मैम मैंने ये कहना था कि जो इन्होंने कहा ना, उसने तानिया ने ना जनरल गाइडलाइंस का दे दिया फीचर का, तो वो इन्होंने किया हुआ है कि उसने प्रिंसिपल का नाम कुछ और बोला और उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन किसी और फीचर की दी है. ऐसे किया मैम उन्होंने. बाकी प्रिंसिपल में भी ऐसा ही है फीचर.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आंसर इज, I don't know, but you are understanding right now. You are supposed to write the feature of principles of management. Features आपको आते हैं ना बेटे? Features के जो point हैं, आपने उसमें से आंसर यहाँ identify करना है कि which feature suits to this statement. Got it? So to this first statement, that is, it does not provide ready-made straight-jacket solution to the problem because management principles are general guidelines. The answer you are supposed to write is general guidelines, and this line is to be written. Is it clear to you now? Right? For example, I have to tell you that whenever some of your subordinate is coming to you with a good idea, you are supposed to give him a chance. You have to motivate that person to do good work like that and that and that, right? So I don't know the name of the principle. I'm just giving you the vague statements. So you are supposed to correct me and give me the name of the principle. This is the question here. Okay? But here they don't ask the name of the principle. they ask name of the feature. Clear? The name of the feature first is it provides general guidelines. Second point is the principles of management are considered flexible. It can be applied them in all type and sizes of organization. So the answer is that principles are flexible. Flexible is the right answer to this. It is already written here, but there some other way you are supposed to write. Then the third one is or universal in nature bhi aa sakta hai. The third one is the principles of management of considered to be universal because they have applied in the light of the given situation how to achieve the desired goals. So when you are applying the principles as per the requirement of the time or as per the requirement of the situation, what do we call it? The principles are contingent in nature. Contingent word जो है that is to be written. Features of principles are there. All of you have book in front of you. All of you have book. Take out the book. Open the topic where we have studied features of principles of management. Features of principles. Okay, got it? So now read. Only the headings are to be read. Ashwinder, you can read. What are the features? Give me the bullet points only. Features of principles.
Universal applicability.
Yes.
Journal guidelines.
Very good.
Formed by practice and experimentation. Flexible, mainly behavioral. Cause and effect relationship. Contingent. Yes.
Yes. So from these terms, you are supposed to find answer. Got it now? The question is to find out answer from these terms, which Ashwinder just told us. So first part ka answer is general guidelines. Second part's answer is flexible. And third part's answer is contingent. So if you have done it wrongly, please do correct it. Right? Okay, so we are already running short of time. Only 1 minute is left. Let's study about one question and then next we'll discuss in the next class. Question number 1 from previous year's CBSE board question. Principles of management equip the managers to foresee the cause and effect relationship of their decisions and actions so that the wastage associated with the trial and error approach can be overcome. Right? Identify the point of significance of principle. What is the significance here? Now don't use vague answer. Don't like try some other answer. Just what you are supposed to do. You are supposed to find out one exact solution from the significance. Open significance of principles. उसमें से देखो कौन सा point यहाँ सूट कर रहा है. That wastage is being reduced. The answer will be Sanya. Yes.
Optimum utilization of
Very
resources.
good. The right answer is optimum utilization of resources.